Ever pondered about the invisible hand that guides the economic market? Or perhaps questioned the rationality of individuals in making economic decisions? These questions form the bedrock of the Neoclassical School of Economic Thought. The Neoclassical School of Thought, a key player in the world of economics, traces its roots back to the late 19th century. It emerged as a response to the classical school, which was deemed too simplistic and unable to explain certain economic phenomena. The Neoclassical school introduced a fresh perspective, one that considered the microeconomic behavior of individuals and firms. Assumptions, you ask? The Neoclassical School of Thought rests on a few key assumptions. First, every player in the market, whether an individual or firm, operates on rationality. Each decision made aims to maximize utility. That is satisfaction. Second, individuals have complete and perfect information, enabling them to make the best possible decisions. Lastly, there is a strong belief in the power of the market to naturally reach an equilibrium state, where supply meets demand. Moving on to the tenets of neoclassical economics. The concept of marginalism is a cornerstone. It suggests that individuals make decisions based on incremental changes. Additionally, the school believes in methodological individualism, where the fundamental unit of analysis is the individual. It also promotes the idea of a competitive market, asserting that competition leads to efficient allocation of resources. Now, every theory has its critics, and neoclassical economics is no exception. Critics argue that the assumption of rationality is overly simplistic. Humans, they say, are not always rational and are influenced by a myriad of factors. The assumption of perfect information, too, is contested. In reality, information is often incomplete and asymmetrical. Critics also question the overemphasis on equilibrium, pointing out that economies are dynamic and constantly changing. In summary, the Neoclassical School of Thought, birthed in the late 19th century, brought a new lens to economics, focusing on the microeconomic behavior of individuals and firms. It assumes rationality, perfect information, and a natural market equilibrium. Its key tenets include marginalism, methodological individualism, and a belief in competitive markets. However, it faces criticism for its assumptions and overemphasis on equilibrium. So, the next time you ponder about the invisible hand or the rationality of economic decisions, remember the Neoclassical School of Thought and its fascinating journey through the annals of economic history.